Welcome to ancient Egypt, 4,000 years ago. These temples once shone with brilliant colors and life. Daily life thrived along the mighty Nile River. The pharaoh ruled one of history's greatest civilizations. The pyramids once gleamed like mountains of light. Inside the Great Pyramid, every passage had a purpose. The Grand Gallery remains an engineering masterpiece. Thousands worked together with remarkable precision. The King's Chamber still inspires endless debate. Many secrets may still remain hidden inside. The Great Sphinx was once brilliantly painted with vivid colors. Sacred rituals united religion, power, and daily life. The Nile's flood brought life to every Egyptian harvest. Scribes preserved Egypt's history with every written symbol. Family, food, and tradition shaped everyday Egyptian life. Tutankhamun's tomb preserved Egypt's greatest royal treasures. Mummification prepared the soul for eternal life.
Royal gardens reflected the beauty of ancient Egypt.
Night festivals transformed temples into rivers of light.
The stars guided Egypt's calendar, temples, and beliefs.
Abu Simbel honored one of Egypt's greatest pharaohs. Master craftsmen shaped monuments from solid granite.
The Nile connected Egypt to distant civilizations.
Egyptian goldsmiths created treasures admired across the ancient world.
Ramesses II displayed the strength of an unstoppable empire.
The Battle of Kadesh tested Egypt's greatest military power. Egyptian physicians practiced remarkably advanced medicine. Knowledge was preserved inside sacred temple libraries. Royal funerals honored the journey into eternity. Ancient Egypt still inspires the world thousands of years later.
Queen Hatshepsut became one of Egypt's greatest rulers.
Her magnificent temple became an architectural masterpiece. Trade expeditions expanded Egypt's wealth and influence. Rare treasures arrived from distant lands across Africa. Egypt connected civilizations through trade, diplomacy, and innovation. The Valley of the Kings became Egypt's royal resting place. Hidden entrances protected the pharaohs for centuries. Every treasure was prepared for eternal life beyond death. Hidden tombs replaced pyramids to protect royal secrets. Twice each year, sunlight reached the temple's sacred heart, gradually illuminating the colossal statues. Egyptian architects mastered the movement of the sun. The Opet festival renewed the bond between gods and kings.
The Nile carried sacred processions across the kingdom.
For Egyptians, the pharaoh embodied both king and divine protector. Each obelisk began as a single block of granite. The Nile carried Egypt's greatest monuments across the kingdom. Precision and teamwork lifted monuments that still stand today. Dedicated workers built monuments while supporting thriving communities. Their engineering achievements continue to inspire the modern world. The stars guided Egypt's sacred knowledge and architecture. Many temples were aligned with remarkable astronomical precision. Their calendar helped predict floods and harvest seasons. Water and shadow clocks measured the passing hours. Egypt's scientific legacy shaped civilizations for thousands of years.
Alexandria became the greatest center of knowledge in the ancient world.
Great minds gathered here to exchange ideas and discoveries.
Science and astronomy flourished through careful observation. Ideas traveled across seas as freely as valuable goods. Egypt's wisdom inspired generations far beyond its borders. Ideas traveled across seas as freely as valuable goods. Egypt's wisdom inspired generations far beyond its borders.
Under Cleopatra, Alexandria remained a jewel of the ancient world.
The lighthouse guided sailors from across the known world.
The royal palace reflected Egypt's final age of grandeur.
Alexandria connected continents through commerce and culture.
Ancient Egypt left a legacy that still shapes our world.
Even the greatest empires eventually faced the passage of time.
A new era began as Roman rule reached Egypt. Silence slowly replaced the voices of a mighty civilization. The desert carefully preserved countless forgotten secrets.
Every discovery brings ancient Egypt back to life. In 1922, a discovery changed Egyptology forever.
Beyond the doorway waited royal treasures.
The golden mask became Egypt's most iconic treasure. Modern technology continues revealing Egypt's hidden history.
Ancient Egypt still inspires explorers across the world. Ancient Egypt still inspires explorers across the world. Egypt's legacy continues shaping science, art, and human imagination. Its monuments remain timeless symbols of human achievement. The past is never gone. It waits to be rediscovered.
Thank you for exploring history with Past Uncovered 450. Subscribe for more journeys into humanity's greatest civilizations.